Yes, guys, for persons who are having nerves pain, cannot sleep. Welcome back to another video, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch the video to the end. Yes, guys, this here is the soursop leaf, a fruit named soursop, and this here is the leaf. The leaf can be used to make tea. Yes, guys, for those who have nerves pain, yes, you may boil this leaf and drink. It gives also better sleep. Yes, guys, it promotes better sleep, prevent high blood pressure. So these are some of the benefits that we get from soursop leaf tea. It also prevents cataract from developing in our eyes. It is also loaded with fiber. Yes, so to help with constipation. It also prevents diabetes. Yes, soursop leaf tea is delicious, guys. Here, guys, is the soursop leaf boiling in the water here. Yes, look at it, guys. That's the soursop leaf. And the soursop leaf, for some person, you drink it as is, like water. Yes, you can drink it cool or room temperature, just as water. So here is my tea here. Yes, this is my soursop leaf tea that I'm gonna have. No sugar, guys. I'm just gonna drink it as is, sorry. And dear guys, you can prepare your soursop leaf with vanilla. Yes, milk. Yes, nothing egg. Yes, guys, you can put vanilla, milk, nothing egg in it and enjoy the soursop leaf. Very tasty, very delicious. Please remember, guys, to like, share the video, subscribe, comment. Yes, guys, and do drink some soursop leaf tea. It does help. Yes, for the ones who are having nerve pain and cannot sleep, prepare the soursop leaf tea. Drink it black as is or used milk, right? If you want to put sugar, you go. If you want to use honey, you go. Enjoy.